Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're looking at again a definitive of the edge token. It's down like 23% after hitting a new all-time high like around 91 cent, which I certainly did not expect. I thought that it would go as high as like 60 cent, but it actually ended up peaking right around 91 cents. So I have covered this token multiple times in this video. We'll mostly talk about its price action as of now, and we'll also look at where the token could be potentially headed as of now as well. Now there is no news for the token that could have actually pushed the token lower or even pushed the token higher. As you can see here, we don't have any big news that could have pushed this new all-time high. Anyways, let's have a look at it and what is happening. So this is when I covered, basically this is when I made the first video on the edge, as you can see here, and surprisingly it actually ended up breaking out from here, and this was a perfect breakout, as you can see here. And after that it actually ended up going from 6.8 cent to as high as like 24 cent. After that I made another video around somewhere around here, and it actually, in that video I did say that it could actually go up again, and it did. And after that I had this third video around here, and I said that we could potentially retest around like around this level, around like 30 cent or even lower than that. But token or the edge basically ended up going like as low as 27 cent, and after that it made this new big all-time high, as you can see here. Now I will just delete everything, and in this video we'll take a look at edge from the fresh perspective. Now, as of now, the token is in the pretty strong uptrend, I would say. So it has started to surge from like 6.8 cent, and now I think it's following this trend. So as of now I would be expecting a retest somewhere on this like trend line. So like if it does go down, I think we can expect a retest of around like 43 cent seems to be the possibility, at least that what it seems like as of now. So I will just try to put like we'll put just a box here. So this is basically the first demand zone that I'm looking at. Like if it does go down, let's say as low as 45 to 40 cent, there's a possibility that it could actually make another bull flag, and it can go up from there as well. So that is something that I'm looking at as of now. Let's say that if it doesn't do that and it continues to go down, so the next entry point that I think could be really interesting would be around this level, which could be around 30 cent or 29 cent. Also seems to be pretty good level if it continues to go down. But again, the edge can do it can also go up from here as well, because the token has been just unpredictable, as you can see here. So the price action is a little bit weird because there is no news that could have fueled this run, I would say. But again, the fundamentals of the edge were really strong, because they are like the institutional adoption for the edge has been, I would say, really high. And I think because of that, the demand for the edge did go up. So that's what I think what happened because of this massive rally. And even if you look at the tokenomics of the edge coin, it is basically used for the staking to get a real-time used trading fees. So whoever is basically using the edge to trade on decentralized exchanges, they do get a pretty good discount if they are using the edge token or if they are holding the edge token. So but again, there is another things that really confuses me about the edge. So if you look at the volume, this is the daily volume by the chain. As you can see, the volume is not that high compared to this massive rally that the edge just did. So I'm still unclear why is that, why the volume has not gone up that much. It is I would say really bizarre. Anyways, again the token continues to go up, so I would say this could be due to some institutional buying or big traders or the whales buying the token. So that could be it, I would say. But again, if that is the case, I think it could make a massive correction as well. Although it has been going up, again it can also make a massive correction as well. But again, if you're planning to again trade this token, I think the first entry I would be looking somewhere around here. So somewhere around like 45 to 40 cent I think is most likely the best entry for the edge as of now, at least that's what I think. But again, if we look at the lower time frame, it can again make like a bull flag and it can go up as well, so that is something we can expect from the token as well. But again, I think as of now it will most likely go down. I think the trend has finally changed, so I am looking at like a perfect retest around like 45 to 40 cent, and if this level doesn't hold, we will most likely go down like as low as 30 cent to 9 cent, or even like 33 to 29 cent is a possibility. So these are the two levels that I'm looking at as of now, at least. But again, if the trend has truly changed, I think the edge could make a pretty significant correction as well, because it actually went up like from 6.8 cent. It basically ended up going up like over 1100%, which I would say is a massive price surge, as you can see. So making a correction would not be bad, because I think that will just mean that the price of the coin is following the natural pattern, that there is no I would say there is no insider trading happening or no whale buying the token. So as of now, this is a fib retracement tool. I really like this tool because it can be used for the entries. So as of now we have two entries. So the first one, the best one would be around 25 cent I would say, and beside that the second one would be around 42 cent. And again, we also got 42 cent from the demand zone as well, and I think this is most likely going to be the best entry for the token. At least if you're planning to get this coin, I would say like 42 or even like 29 to 25 cent also could be another dollar cost average entry for the token as well. As of now, I'm expecting at least a retest as low as 29 cent 42 to like 45 cent. And again, if the edge continues to go down, we could actually go like as low as I would say like 28 to 25 cent as well. But again, it has been unpredictable, as you can see. Like it has made the exact same corrections back here as well, and after that the token basically ended up going up again. So again, I think if it does go like as low as 45 cent, we may basically see another, I would say, another surge from the token as well, because it has done the exact same thing. So basically, when it was around 24 cent, it actually went as low as 11 cents. That was like 50%. I think that was like over 50% correction. So if we expect the same thing, so like again we are looking at the exact same level, which would be around 45 to 42 cents. So again, I think this seems to be the best level for the coin as of now, at least in my eyes. So let's see what happens. But again, as I said, I'm looking at 45 to 42 cent, and if that doesn't hold, we'll most likely go as low as 29 to 25 cent. Anyways, this was it. I just want to cover the token. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.